Hello and welcome to the first of 3 videos on the Rotary Table Control System EF3 from WEISS. The Rotary Table Control System EF3 enables an optimal control for WEISS indexing tables. My name is Christian Göltl. I am Product Manager for Software and Drive Technology. In this video, we'll have a look at what is included in the box of the Rotary Table Control System, and I show you how to set up the controller in 6 easy steps. All of the components for the Rotary Table Control System EF3 are included in the box. You can find our WEISS article number on the label. The basis of the Rotary Table Control System is a servo controller from Lenze. There is a box with a keypad adapter, another box with the keypad itself, a bag with accessories, and the technical documentation, software license file, and our WEISS Quick Start Guide. The steps for assembling the Rotary Table Control System are explained in the EF3 Quick Start Guide. Start with the bag of the accessories. Put out the keypad connection cable and the mechanical keypad holder. Put out the keypad holder of the bag and mount it on the device. You have to fix the screw with a Torx screwdriver from type TX15. Fasten it. Then take the box and put out the keypad holder. It looks like this. Take out the keypad connection cable and plug the one side of the cable into the keypad adapter. Mount the keypad adapter on the keypad holder, like this, and plug the connection cable to the I/O card. Now we take out the keypad itself and we plug it to its adapter. The terminal set is included in the bag of accessories. Now I show you how to plug them on the controller. For interfacing with the Rotary Table Control System, we have these digital I/O signals. For safety functionality, we have STO SIL3 on board. The memory card includes our WEISS software technology. For diagnostic and service, we have an interface here. To plug the power supply, use this connector, and for the external 24-volt supply, you plug here. The motor is connected with this connector, thermal contact, power supply for the external brake, and the connector for the brake. So this is the Rotary Table Control System EF3, completely assembled. In the next video I show you the commissioning phase. I thank you very much and see you soon.